Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I welcome you all. If today is your first time of seeing my video or coming across my video, you're welcome. And if you've not subscribed, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And for those of you that have subscribed, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I love you all. So today I'll be talking, it's like a testimony. I'll be giving you a testimony and also inspiring you. So because there are many women out there who have seen or who are facing what I've faced in the past, who are in so many kind of situation, fertility issue. So today I'll be telling you how I got pregnant with high prolactin. So it wasn't easy. Yes, it wasn't easy. I didn't even know about it. I've not heard of it. I was just not aware that something like that exists and it can be an issue. It can be a health issue. So that was when I tried to conceive. I thought after some times I thought I was pregnant. I was having so many pains. I feel headache, having so many movements in my stomach. I feel flash at this side of my face. So at a point I said no, I have to go and see the doctor. I went to my doctor, a Bangladeshi doctor here. So I went to him, I complained, and he said okay, I have to go for a test. I said test? What kind of test? I have to go for pregnancy test and the glucose and the prolactin test. So I said okay. I went for the lab test. This is the lab results. I just hope you can see it. So these are lab results. So when I finished, when the result came out, I took it back to the doctor, and the doctor said I have a high prolactin. Oh my God, I don't even know about it. All I know is that it's only when a woman is pregnant or a woman is breastfeeding that it has high prolactin. So I don't know about it, that it can be a health issue. And the doctor told me that with this, it may be difficult for me to get pregnant. I said, what? Okay. I said, okay, with faith. I went home, I discussed, and before then, doctor prescribed medicine for me. He said I have to go and get drugs. I have to start the treatment. And he wrote down this medicine, Dustinus carbogoline, Dustinus carbogoline tablet. Although the medication, the tablet is very expensive, so I bought 4 tablets. Out of it, I went to the pharmacist and I got these tablets, 4 tablets. The full packet is 8. Then I asked the pharmacist to give me the 4 out of the 8. So sorry. So I brought it back to the doctor. The doctor said okay, I should be taking it once in a week, and once in a week. Then I went home. After that, he called me. I said that since I'm just start taking it, since it's my first time of taking it, I should take it maybe 3 times in a week. Probably it may work fast for the hormone. He said these hormone issues, blah blah blah. So I was confused. Seriously, I was confused. I was weak. I felt bad. So I couldn't sleep. That is one of the issue, one of the symptom of the whatever, hyperactivity or whatever. So I don't sleep at night. I will think too much. I feel pains in my head. I feel pain so many kind of pain that I can't even describe. So then I started taking the drugs. I took it for 2 weeks. I took it for 2 weeks. I think, yeah, 2 times. Yeah, the doctor said I should take it 2 times. 2 times in a week. I took the drugs for 2 weeks. Two in 1 week, 2 in 1 week. And after that, I went back to see the doctor. He said I have to go and do another test to know if the level is high or it has gone down or it's still high. I said okay. I went back to the lab. I did another test. The test is still the same. I came back, the doctor told me that the prolactin level is still high. I said, my God, what will I do? I said, what? They say I have to continue with the medication. I said, medication again? Okay. I said, what about the movement I feel? He said I should go and do pregnancy test since I feel I have movement in my stomach. I feel somehow. I went for pregnancy test. See it, the result was negative. So I came back, I showed him the result, and he said, okay, since that is the case, I have to continue with the medication again. And I went back. I said no to myself. I said no, I'm not gonna go for any hormone medication or whatever. I don't know what is pituitary gland tumor or whatever they said it, because to be frank with you, I went on research, yes, because I didn't know much about the illness or the hormonal imbalance or whatever. So I went on research. I researched about it on Google. I now find out how it works. So when I did my findings, I find out everything that concerns the hormonal imbalance. I find out that it produces milk. It's a hormone that is in charge of producing milk for pregnant women. So it produces milk to the breast. It also adds weight. Yes, that was why I added a lot of weight during those periods. So it adds weight. You can't even sleep. So many things I find out. I know so many women are still in this kind of issue. I know so many women are still in this kind of trouble. But believe in me, believe in God, yeah, trust in God. There is nothing difficult for God to do. There is nothing. If I can pass through those time and be strong and finally have my baby, you can have your baby too. Yes. So after that, I started praying towards it. I started praying. I do sleep quick. Then one thing I did that helped me was I started, because normally I don't sleep. I used to be awake till 4 a.m. in the morning, till 3 a.m. in the morning before I can sleep. So I now said, okay, once it's 8 p.m., I'll just off the television, off my phone, just lie down on the bed, close my eyes. Even if I can't sleep, just try to sleep, and before you know it, I'll just sleep. So this is how I kept doing it for some times. So I started noticing that the pain I used to feel in my head started reducing. The flash is no longer much. So that was it. So that was how I continued doing it, praying and hoping. Although the doctor used to call me then, he said, why can't I go for a surgery? I said, surgery for what? He said I should go for surgery, or I should continue with the medication. I should continue buying the drugs. I have to take it for 6 months. Then that he believed that if I take it for 6 months, the level of the prolactin will come down and I may be able to conceive. I said, okay, no problem. I didn't doubt him because it is his job. So, but on my own, inside my mind, inside myself, I believe that there is nothing God cannot do. Yes, there is nothing God cannot do. I believed in myself. I said, God, I don't know how you're going to do it, but I believe that I'm going to carry my own baby, because I don't know anything that has to do with prolactin, whatever. So I just believe that I know that God will do it for me. He has done it in the past, and I know He will do it again. So after some months of waiting and praying, God answered me. Yes, surprisingly, I wasn't even putting mind. In fact, I totally forgot about it, because at a point it got to a point that I was depressed. Yes, it got to a point that I think too much. I disturb myself. I always worry. I talk to my husband, am I not gonna get pregnant? Am I not gonna have baby? So a lot of things came to my mind. I was very disturbing. So not until when my husband used to counsel me, tell me that I shouldn't worry, everything gonna be alright. So I kept to that. So just 1 month, one certain time, I didn't even know. So I had just like the same issue I used to have. I felt bad in my head, feeling headache too much. So I went to the doctor back, said, Doctor, I can't bear this again. What do I do? He said, you have told me what to do. If I can't do it, I don't know what else to tell me. I said, Doctor, this time around, the pain I'm feeling is much. He said, what do I want to do? I said, okay, I think I should go and do another test, pregnancy test. The doctor said, am I not tired of doing pregnancy tests? Don't it make me feel bad when I get a negative result? I said, what to do? What to do for my Nigerian language? He said, what to do? So I said, I have to go and do it. I keep on, I know God will do it. God will visit me. So then I went. Doctor said, okay, I should go and for a lab test, pregnancy lab test. So I went for the test, and it was positive. Yes, it was positive, and I came back with the lab test, with the lab result, to the doctor. I took it back to the doctor, and the doctor was, how come? What's going on? I said, I don't know. This is the result they gave me. The doctor said, okay, if that is the case, I should go and buy a home pregnancy test and check it as well. I went home, I did it, it was positive, and that was how I got pregnant with a baby boy. So after 9 months, I gave birth to my bouncing baby boy. It's almost 2 years now. Yeah, so you'll be celebrating his 2 years birthday next month. So my dear, I know so many women are in this kind of ugly situation. So many women are feeling this kind of pain I felt some years or some months back. So I just want to encourage you, don't give up. Don't give up. Yes, don't give up. Just put your trust in God. Keep praying, just have a positive mind. Yes, that was one of the things that helped me. I kept telling myself that I'm not a barren woman. Although so many things will come to your head, so many thoughts may come to your head, you feel depressed, you feel frustrated, you feel bad. I don't even know what the word to use for it, but trust me, there is nothing God cannot do. Yes, He surprised me, and I believe He's going to surprise you. You that is waiting upon Him. He's going to visit you with that twins. He's going to visit you with that baby boy, with that baby girl, according to your heart desire. So that is just it. I just want to share this testimony to you guys, and I believe that I have another testimony. So, but guys, next time I'm going to share it with you. So please like my video, subscribe, and see you in my next video. Bye.